Hi, welcome to the Sustainamics.
Thank
I'm
you so
here
much for
with
having me.
Moiz Barodawala, Assistant Director at Cinecron. It's lovely to have you today.
Thank you.
If I may ask you, how does Cinecron maintain HR strategy with human-centric values?
So, the best part about maintaining the human values is to give the right kind of benefits and wellness programs. So, most of our wellness programs are well defined in terms of we also look at industry best practices while defining our own internal wellness programs. So, we not only do mental wellness programs at our office, but we also do financial wellness programs. We educate employees on the financial bit of it, maybe via continuous learning, webinars, inviting people to come and educate us on how we can plan our finances better. Also, there is physical wellness element to it, wherein there are a lot of physical activities that they can be a part of. Also, as a part of our insurance, we have a package of cult fitness that they can opt for and take advantage of. So, a lot of wellness initiatives which keeps them abreast and well rounded in terms of physical, mental, maybe financial, and so on and so forth. All kind of wellness is covered.
And I think it's interesting that you talk about even like a fitness membership, and I think that'll have a lot of takers, right? To
Oh
have,
yes, that's one of the best
yeah,
package that people opt for
yeah,
usually, and considering a lot of awareness in the health side now that people are very much aware about how do they take care of themselves better. I think practices like this encourage people to be physically, mentally fit and take their authentic self to the office.
yeah, exactly. Because when you're actually feeling better about yourself, you actually
Yes,
bring out your best at work as well, right?
absolutely.
Now, what initiatives have you led to enhance the employee experience and transparency really within your organization?
So, first and foremost, we have a professional development policy within our organization that focuses on you leveraging the policy for your own professional benefit. You can take up any certificate, any course externally that would benefit your career growth within the organization, and it just needs a simple approval from your leader, and you go and take it. That way, you keep abreast on the changing trends, technologies. The second piece is educating people on, say, safety, making them aware of, say, the mandatory trainings like POSH, uh, grievance management, so on and so forth. That way, we ensure that the environment is safe for everybody. Everybody respects each other, and we behave in the right way possible. Apart from this, we also have many other policies which benefit the employee in the right way. So, say for example, we have an in-house learning and development team, and we do a lot of tactical trainings, focused trainings, and these are not only technical in nature; these are also in terms of professional development. So, say in case I want to uh, increase the communication quotient within my team, I will devise a focused plan for them, and then we will educate them in a way that it is fun. We
Yeah,
do various activity.
yeah,
It's a gamified
yeah.
learning, and it also brings people
Yeah, it's a
together.
huge team building effort as well, right?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So, multiple things we do in order to keep employees not only engaged but also they get the right experience when they are within the organization, and they get to meet each other. We have a hybrid work policy, so we are expected to be in office 3 days a week, and all we try to make these 3 days in office count to the max.
Right. So that they enjoy coming to work as
Oh,
opposed to
yes.
saying, oh no, I have to go to work again, right?
Absolutely, and it has drastically increased the footprint or people coming into the office. So that's a biggie. That's
Right.
a good feedback for us,
Right.
and that's what keeps us going.
Right. Thank you so much for your time, Moiz. It's been lovely
Pleasure
having
is
you
mine.
here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Take care.